Hi guys, and welcome to Sniper Scale Models. This is just a quick one for Chucky Monster, as he was showing his progress on his garage. Basically, I told him that I was making a corner style garage, and here it is. As you can see from the last update, which was about 6 months ago, I've added this section here. So it is now 10.5 inches deep, so this way, and 18 inches wide. Floor needs another coat. It is dry. Floor needs another coat. I'm using a plaster for that. Again, same with the walls. I've got to do this side of the wall. It's going to be plaster on there. Again, I've got to paint the door frames, and obviously the door I made myself, you know. The workbench, still got to finish. Made that myself. All the roof section just above here is going to have broken floor. It's going to be like broken floorboard style. So it's going to be hanging out a little bit. So it looks like broken floorboards. I might maybe put some lighting in, I'm not sure, over the workbench or something. Maybe build a piece, I'm not sure, maybe build a pillar or something and bring it across and down, and hang like a small strip light or something, make a small style strip light, not sure. But yeah, it sort of gives you a rough sort of guess on the size of it with the two models that I've got in there. Just two that I quickly grabbed off the shelf. They need a bit of a dusting, but you know, they could probably do with some dusting. But I haven't got far. Again, because I've brought it out slightly further, I've got to raise this section of the floor a little bit to meet the old section, as you can see. So hopefully there's enough room there for maybe to put a lift or something in. I'm not really sure quite what I want to do. If you guys have got any thoughts, put them in the comments below. Yeah, I mean, the board I originally put this on was quite flimsy. So what happened is every time it was picked up, it flexed, and of course, which obviously caused the cracking, which I don't mind because it adds effect to the concrete floor. So I'll do the same sort of similar thing over here, and then I'll just redo all this and add some, you know, just make it a bit more weathered and stuff, so it looks like more cracked. So just bring it so you can sort of see. Got the oil stains on the floor there, and yeah, so that section there is where I'll be adding the wood and stuff. I've made it look like some of the rendering that's fallen off the walls, so it's a bit grubby. So yeah, I've added, I'd say what, 8 inches probably to it. So it was about 10 by 10, well 10 by 10.5, and it's now 18 by 10.5. So yeah, there's enough, you know, enough space in here to do a few bits and pieces. I was trying to make it look sort of like more of a rustic, you know, someone's old sort of garage, maybe shed building type thing, you know, an old style workshop, not you know, a newer one. But yeah, that's pretty much as far as I got with it. So I have been working on it a little bit, as you can see. It's a slow process with the amount of work I have to do. I do about well, I work from about 5:30 in the morning, and generally sometimes don't get home till 3 o'clock the next morning, and then I have to get up a couple of hours later. But anyway, yeah, so sometimes I don't get a lot of time, and I go into the shed and knock a bit out when I can. Same with the builds. That's why I don't get a lot of builds done, because I don't have a lot of time. So yeah, that's basically as far as I got with it. It'd be nice to, you know, keep getting progress reports on people's garages. It's nice to see people building the garages. So I'm going to definitely keep up with Chucky Monster, see what how he's getting on with his garage. And I know there's a few others that are looking at maybe building a garage. I know there's quite a few out there that have got garages. If you've got garages, put a video up. I'd like to see them. It'd be really cool. Probably not the only one. I know Chucky Monster would like to see some more videos. So yeah, this is just being a quick one. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Appreciate my subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.